Meaning of information technology.
Information technology.
Information technology.
Information technology.
Information technology. Information technology refers to the use of electronic systems, software, and networks to process, store, and distribute information. This field encompasses a wide range of technologies, including computers, telecommunications, multimedia, and other digital devices. The goal of information technology is to enable the efficient and effective communication, management, and utilization of information. It has revolutionized the way we access and share information in today's digital age, making tasks like communicating, learning, and conducting business easier and more streamlined than ever before. Overall, information technology plays a critical role in modern society and will continue to shape the world we live in for years to come.